Good day, learners, and welcome to today's video where we are going to be looking at how to insert a table of contents. Now here you can see I've just got a blank document in front of me. On page 2, I've just got one heading there for section 1, section 2, and then section 3. So first things first, where do we go in order to insert a table of contents? Well, we're going to go up to the References tab. From there, we're going to go over to Table of Contents. Now, please remember, you will not be asked just to insert a table of contents, but most of the time it will be an automatic table of contents, and that you can see in the list over here. So in this video, we're just doing a basic one. I'm going to include, let's see, table 1. Okay, so there immediately it says to me that if I'm going to be creating this, I need to apply some styles. And once I do this, you can see I've got nothing, right? And please don't get shocked because you've done nothing wrong. You have inserted a table of contents. The problem is that these headings over here have not been styled as headings, or they've not been formatted as headings. So where do we apply styles? We go to our Home tab and we have a whole lot of styles over here. So let's highlight section 1. Let's apply a heading style. Let's go to section 2. Let's apply a heading 2. And then we're going to go to section 3, and I'm going to go back to applying a heading 1 style. Now, even though I've applied that, do you see any difference in the table of contents? No, because when I move my mouse pointer over that and I click on it, I've got a tab that says Update Table. Click on Update, and there you can see it's now pulled through the headings, and you can see the difference between a heading 1 style and a heading 2 style. And folks, it's that simple to create your automatic table of contents.